how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. So go to your TikTok and go to the magnifying glass at the far right hand side. And this is going to be all of your you may like suggestions. So from here, what you can do is go ahead and hit the refresh on the right side of your page. And you can do that and keep refreshing it. What you can do outside of that is go back out of here and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner, and then go to the three bars at the top right corner and go down to where it says settings and privacy. Go down to where it says activity center, and then go to your search history. And from here, if you have searches on there, you can erase the entire search history. If that still isn't working, come back out of here and go back to your regular settings page and go to your notifications. So from here, you want to scroll down until you see where it says personalized post suggestions, and you want to turn off the first two options. So if that also is not working, what you can do is come back out of here and go back to the suggestions page. So we can go back here and go hit the magnifying glass. And from here, you can scroll all the way down and you'll see it say help us improve at the very bottom here. Go ahead and click that. And you want to focus on the third option. The suggested searches are not interesting or are not personalized. So go ahead and check that one. And from here, what you can do is basically choose which ones that you don't want to actually have in your suggestions anymore from that point. So you can hit submit. And from that point, it should be fine. If you do find yourself with ones that you don't really want to have on here, what you may have to do is close down the app, restart the app, or log in or log out and then log back into it. And that's it. Takes a couple steps, but this will really be able to clear